What's up, guys?
Subscribe for the dog again. Yes, him.
Yep.
This little boy. Yeah. As you saw in the last one, it was crying. Come here. Yes.
It's his little YouTube channel.
Yeah, that's how she's gonna do it. You're gonna do it.
I'm gonna do it.
Yes. Like, subscribe. Yeah. Okay. Go.
Hello, my
Say
baby.
bye-bye.
Bye.
What should they do?
I'm gonna go make my soup.
Well, I guess you guys can make soup. But you can like, subscribe. You should like, subscribe, and I decided. Yes, it's very good. Free. And it's a funny video. This dog again.
Pour your water. But pour it slow.
We're gonna do it.
Hey, you already had a cup of water. Where is
Hey.
it?
I do it?
How do you feel about having to clean it again?
It was a huge eruption, but it was an easy clean.
You heard the man.
Wait.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait
Ready?
till I do
Wait.
part 2.
But start pouring it slowly,
Okay.
mommy. Hold on.
So,
Hold on.
I guess this is
Okay. Ready? Go.
I guess it's 3 out of 3, right? Go. Science.
Let it go. That's it. Let it go.
Yeah, let it go. Hold on, just let it.
Okay,
It's
pour a little
bubbly.
more.
Looks like whenever you put Coke and
I
Mentos.
like to put it in my soup.
Ooh, I wonder if that would be better.
Your soup. I don't know if lava and soup go together. Don't try it.
Maybe lava heats up the soup.
Ooh. That could help sick people.
Okay, that's it. Pour it all in there.
Pour it all in there.
Okay, that's enough.
Did you decide that? Okay. Like, subscribe. See you next one.